Hi guys, in this video I want to show you unpacking Mi Band 6. I understand that I'm late with the relevance of this unpacking for at least a year, but maybe someone will be useful. I bought the Chinese version for my mom because she lost her Mi Band 4. I still don't understand how she did it. The package, as always, is very simple. It is the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable and documentation. I previously used Mi Band 4, so I immediately noted the convenience of magnetic charging. There is no need to remove the strap to charge the device. By the way, the strap does not change, if I'm not mistaken, from the first versions of the Mi Band. Unfortunately, I was unlucky and this watch had to be replaced because it had some kind of problem with the battery and it completely discharged in a few hours. Swapped them for the Mi Band 6 global version with NFC. The model in the video doesn't have NFC. That's basically the only difference between them. If you need NFC, then buy the global version. If not, then the Chinese version. And the best thing to do is to pay extra and get the Mi Band 7. But even the Mi Band 6 is still a great device that is 100% worth its money. If anyone now uses Mi Band 6, I would be glad to get your feedback on the experience of using this device. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye!